Namaste and welcome back to Typical Monk. So far we saw one allele mask another, but it is not always so. Today we meet incomplete dominance, codominance, and the blood groups where alleles stop hiding and start showing together, one idea at a time. Here is today's path. 5 stops. First, incomplete dominance. Second, codominance. Third, multiple alleles. Fourth, the above blood groups. And fifth, NEET drills, that is, assertion, match, and statement. First, incomplete dominance. Look at this picture. Here, neither allele is fully dominant. The heterozygote shows a blend. In mirabilis, the 4 o'clock plant, red, that is rare, crossed with white, that is rare, gives pink, that is rare. In F1, F2 is 1 red, 2 pink, 1 white, that is 1 to 2 to 1. One key point. Here, the phenotype ratio equals the genotype ratio. Now, codominance. In codominance, both allele express fully and together in the heterozygote, no blending. Example, the AB blood group. Such a person shows both A and B antigens on the red cells. Another, roan cattle, where both red and white hairs appear. A blend means incomplete dominance. Both fully shown means codominance. Do not mix them. Now multiple alleles. A gene can have more than 2 alleles in a population. That is multiple alleles. The ABO blood group gene has 3 II, B, and small I. I and IB are dominant over small I, and IA and IB are co-dominant to each other. Now see the whole ABO system in one table. Blood group, a genotype II, the antigen on the red cells, anti-B in the plasma. Blood group B, genotype IB or IBI, the B antigen, anti-A in the plasma. Blood group AB, genotype IAAB, both A and B on the red cells, no antibody in the plasma. Blood group O, genotype small I, no antigen on the red cells, both anti-A and anti-B in the plasma. Now, the high-yield pointers, the facts that NEET turns into questions. 1. Incomplete dominance F2, 1 to 2 to 1, and the phenotype ratio equals the genotype ratio. 2. Mirabilis or snapdragon, the classic incomplete dominance example. 3. AB blood group means codominance. The ABO gene means multiple alleles, IAA, small I. 4. In ABO, SIG genotypes give 4 phenotypes. O, that is small I, is the universal donor, AB is the universal recipient. 5. A blend means incomplete dominance, both fully shown means codominance. Now the first drill, assertion and reason. Each time, ask, is it true? Is R true? And does R explain A? First, A, in incomplete dominance, the phenotype ratio equals the genotype ratio. R, the heterozygote has its own distinct phenotype. Both are true and R explains A. So the answer is A. Second, A, the AB blood group, is an example of incomplete dominance. R, both A and B antigens are fully expressed together. Here, A is false, but R is true, so the answer is D. Third, A, the ABO gene, shows multiple alleles. All 3 alleles, IA, IB, small I, exist for it in the population. Both are true and R explains A. So the answer is A. Now, the second drill, match the column. Make the correct pairing. Pink mirabilis flower, incomplete dominance. AB blood group, co-dominance. IB, small I, multiple alleles. And genotype, small I blood group O. Now the third drill, how many of these statements are correct? Check them one by one. First, incomplete dominance gives a 1 to 2 to 1 phenotype ratio. This is correct. Second, blood group O has both A and B antigens. This is wrong. Third, the APO gene has 3 alleles in the population. This is correct. So the correct statements, 2, that is, the first and the third. Now let's clear the mistakes students fall for. Myth. The AB blood group is incomplete dominance. Truth. It is co-dominance. Both antigens are fully expressed. Myth. Incomplete dominance changes the genotype ratio. Truth. Only the phenotype view changes. The genotype ratio stays 1:2:1. Now test yourself. Answer each one before it is revealed. Answer first. That is how you build strong NEET recall. Question 1. Pink mirabilis is an example of. Answer. Incomplete dominance. Question 2. The AB blood group shows co-dominance. Question 3. The genotype of blood group O, small I. Question 4. How many alleles in the ABO gene? 3. Question 5. The incomplete dominance F2 ratio, 1:2:1. Let's gather it all in one breath. Incomplete dominance. The heterozygote is a blend, that is pink, F2 is 1:2:1. There, the phenotype ratio equals the genotype ratio. Co-dominance. Both alleles fully shown. AB blood group. Roan cattle. Multiple alleles. The ABO gene has IA, IB, small I, 6 genotypes give 4 groups. O is small. I small I. AB is I. IB, I and IB are co-dominant. Both dominant over small I. In the next class, linkage, recombination, and sex determination. See you there. You have cleared the exceptions to Mendel 2. Be proud. One idea at a time, with a calm mind, and you will crack NEET. This is Typical Monk. Every class, always free.